Begin with this problem. Discuss the continuity of the function f, where f is defined by fx equal to 2x if x less than 0, fx equal to 0 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, and this equal to 4x if x greater than 1. So observe here, so 0 to 1 is given here. So for that reason, consider this line or simple curve. So this is x equal to 0 and this is x equal to 1. So observe here, we have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 0 and at x equal to 1. So that is, if x less than 0, at 0 means at x equal to 0, and so this is less than 0 means this is 0 minus, greater than 0 means 0 plus. So less than 0 means you have to consider 2x, and greater than 0 means you have to consider value of x equal to or fx equal to 0, and at x equal to 0. So observe here, x is greater than 0 or equal to 0. So that is, if x equal to 0, consider 0. If x greater than 0, consider 0. So therefore, for this reason, so for RHL and at the point x, you have to consider 0. Similarly, x less than or equal to 1. Less than 1, consider here this is less than 1, that is 1 minus, and this one is greater than 1, 1 plus. At x equal to 1, its value is 0. X less than 1, its value is 0. X greater than 1, its value becomes 4x. Fx equal to 4x. Yes. Now let us start with the point x equal to 0. So consider this one at x equal to 0. Fx equal to x equal to 0 means fx is equal to here. So x equal to 0. So therefore fx equal to 0. Therefore f of x equal to 0. Now go for LHL. Limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 means x less than 0 means its fx value is 2x. So therefore this equal to 2x. So therefore substitute the value 2 into 0, this equal to 0. So now RHL. So limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means x greater than 1. X greater than 1 means, x greater than 0. X greater than 0, its value is again this equal to 0. So therefore, this also equal to 0. Observe here, f of 0 equal to 0, LHL is 0, RHL is 0. Therefore, f of 0 equal to LHL equal to RHL. So therefore, fx is continuous at x equal to 0. So second case is here, we have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, f of x equal to 1 is here. So fx is equal to, so x is equal to 1. So therefore fx equal to 0. Therefore f of 0 equal to 0. So now go for LHL. Limit x tends to 0 minus, x tends to 1 minus, that is less than 1. X less than 1 means its value is 0. X less than or equal to 1 is here. So therefore this value is equal to 0. This equal to 0. So go for RHL. Limit x tends to 1 plus. So here now consider the problem which is based on the continuity. So using the continuity concept, you have to develop the relation between A and B. So for this, that is in problem, find the relationship between A and B so that the function f defined by fx equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3 and it is equal to bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous. So in this function, the function is it is said that function is continuous. So therefore at this point function is continuous, it is given. So therefore use this condition to find or to develop the relation between A and B with usual procedure. So first write the function and add the point x equal to 3. So here function is fx equal to at x equal to 3 means we have to consider x equal to 3 is here. Therefore function is ax plus b. Ax plus 1. Therefore put x equal to 3. F of 3 equal to 3a plus 1. So now go for LHL. That is limit x tends to 3 minus. 3 minus means less than 3. Again the function is ax plus 1. So substitute this value 3a plus 1. Put x equal to 3 here. So similarly go for RHL. Limit x tends to 3 plus, that is greater than 3. Greater than 3 means is here. So therefore consider bx plus 3. So now put x equal to 3. So therefore 3b plus 3. So observe that since function is continuous at x equal to 3. So therefore since fx is continuous at x equal to 3, therefore f of 3 equal to LHL equal to RHL. So therefore condition is LHL equal to RHL. So LHL is 3a plus 1, RHL is 3b plus 3. So therefore using this relation LHL equal to RHL, so put LHL equal to 3a plus 1 here and equal to 3b plus 3. So substitute the value. So LHL equal to RHL, that is LHL is 3a plus 1, RHL is 3b plus 1. So therefore find the relation 3a equal to 3b plus 3 here, 3a equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1. So therefore 3a equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1, it becomes plus 2. Therefore a equal to 3b plus 2 divided by 3. So therefore this equal to 3b by 3 plus 2 by 3. So 3 get cancels here. Therefore a equal to b plus 2 by 3. So therefore this is the relation between a and b. A equal to b plus 2 by 3. So this is the relation. So now go for next problem. So here also you have to find the value for which value of lambda the function is continuous at x equal to 0 and at x equal to 1. Here the function is fx equal to lambda into bracket x square minus 2x if x less than or equal to 0, and it is equal to 4x if x greater than 0. Observe here the point is given here at x equal to 0 function is continuous. So it is given that function is continuous for at x equal to 0. So usual procedure at x equal to 0 function fx equal to x equal to 0 means it is here. So therefore function is lambda into bracket x square minus 2x. Therefore put the value f of 0, this equal to lambda into bracket 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore this is equal to 0. Now go for LHL. Limit x tends to 0 minus x tends to 0 minus lambda into bracket x square minus 2x. So here less than 0 means x square minus 2x. This equal to lambda into 0 minus 0. This equal to 0. RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus greater than 0 means 4x plus 1. This equal to 4 into 0 plus 1. So this value is 1. Observe here LHL and RHL are not equal. Similarly, f of 0 is equal to LHL not equal to RHL. So therefore LHL not equal to RHL means this implies fx is discontinuous at 0 for any value of lambda. So this function is discontinuous. So the function is discontinuous at x equal to 0 for any value of lambda. So at 0 it is discontinuous. Now we have to check the continuity at x equal to 1. So here the same function for x equal to 1 means the function is always greater than 0. So therefore either 1 1 or 1 plus or 1 minus. So neighborhood point means the point is always greater than 0. So therefore for all these LHL, RHL and at the point, consider fx equal to 4x plus 1. So at x equal to 1, fx equal to 4x plus 1. Therefore f of 1 equal to 4 into 1 plus 1, this equal to 5. Next LHL. Limit x tends to 1 minus. So 1 minus means closerwood point greater than 0 it is. So again consider 4x plus 1. Therefore this equal to 4 into 1 plus 1, this equal to 5. Similarly go for RHL. So here also limit x tends to 1 plus. So function is, it is greater than 1. Again consider 4x plus 1 here. Therefore 4 into 1 plus 1, this also equal to 5. Observe, f of 1 is 5, LHL is 5, RHL is 5. So therefore f of 0, f of 1 equal to LHL equal to RHL. So therefore fx is continuous. Fx is continuous since there is no lambda, so it is free from lambda. So therefore for any value of lambda, fx is continuous. There is no effect of lambda here. So there is no part of the lambda here. So therefore, so for any value of lambda, conclusion is for any value of lambda, fx is continuous. So there is no effect of lambda. So therefore, fx is continuous. Yes. Thank you.